In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SPF record on HostPapa, giving you a quick and clear tutorial to enhance your domain's email security. This process can initially seem a bit technical, but I'll walk you through each step so you can easily follow along. To begin with, you'll need to log into your HostPapa account. Open your web browser and go to the HostPapa dashboard by typing www.hostpapa.com/dashboard in the address bar. Once you are there, you'll see the login page where you need to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click Log In to access your account. Now that you've logged in, you should see your HostPapa dashboard showing different options related to your hosting plan. Look for the My cPanel button associated with your hosting plan and click on it. cPanel is the control panel where you can manage your domains and settings. Within cPanel, the next step is to open the DNS Zone Editor. Search for the Zone Editor option and click on it to proceed. This is where you'll handle DNS entries and add the new SPF record. Once you're in the Zone Editor, find the domain for which you want to add the SPF record. When you locate it, click on the Manage button next to the domain name. This will bring up a list of all existing DNS records for that domain. To add the SPF record, you need to create a new TXT record, so click on the plus Add Record button. In the drop-down, select TXT record. Now, it's time to enter the details for the SPF record. In the name or host field, you typically enter @ which represents the root domain, or you can leave it blank, depending on your version of cPanel. For the TXT data, enter the SPF information that will authorize the host permitted to send emails on behalf of your domain. After you've entered this information, click Add Record to save it. With that, you've successfully created a new SPF record. However, the process doesn't end here. You will need to wait for DNS propagation, which can take up to 24 hours to be fully effective. During this time, the DNS changes will update across the internet. Once enough time has passed, it's crucial to verify that your SPF record is active. You can do this by using online tools such as MX Toolbox's SPF Lookup. Simply go to their website, input your domain, and check the status of your SPF record. This step ensures that everything is set up correctly and your email security is enhanced. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding an SPF record on HostPapa. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of navigating through these settings, protecting your domain from unauthorized use in no time.